And so as an education ministry, we are going to take it on to support Kingston Technical High School, support all of you, so that in your lives you can go back home and you can help to teach your parents, right? How to interact with each other in the home, so that when you come to school, you're not feeling angry, you're not feeling upset, you're not feeling like you want to take it out on somebody else. We want you to come to school with fresh minds in the morning, eager, ready to learn, right? You're in a stage of your life that should be considered carefree, practically, that you should be enjoying, that you should be going to school and just learning, fulfilling on your potential. And look at you, you are the next workforce. You are the next adult generation of Jamaica. And we ought to be growing you up so that you can take your rightful place in Jamaica. You're going to continue to grieve. You're going to continue to ask the questions. You're going to sometimes in the middle of the night wake up and remember your schoolmate. Many of you were present when it happened. We need to give you special psychosocial support that can help you to deal with all the emotions that you continue to feel. You're going to go through many, many more stages, but we're here to help you and to continue to provide the support. And I know the Ministry of Education and Youth, the CPFSA, they've been here. Many of you might have spoken with them. We will continue to support all the students here at Kingston Technical High School as you manage through this grieving process. We want to reach out to the families as well of the two young ladies, because we know that they're both grieving. We've lost two students. One died because of stabbing, and the other one, we know that life is going to be different, right? She's not here today because of the stabbing situation. The law is going to have to take its course, but we have to ensure that we provide support as well for the family and to see how best we can get them through this situation as well.